What are the major challenges for an investor? How to overcome them? What is meant by VUCA World? We have our financial expert Mr. Satish Prabhu with us for more insights. Satish, help us understand the term VUCA World.
We live in a VUCA world, and while VUCA is volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity, if you follow asset allocation, and asset allocation can give you lesser fluctuation to your returns and lesser headache, and you will not succumb to emotions of greed and fear. And VUCA for you will then look like vision, understanding, clarity, and agility. So VUCA will sound more positive than negative when you asset allocation.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.